Brought to you by Karben, the all-new Karben card holder. Now let's unbox this. What's included in it is this. So we've got one additional NFC card from the Trifecta traders, as well as what's inside here, which is the Karben card holder wallet, as well as 2 additional NFC tags. So off the bat, we can see we've got the slim Karben card holder in black. We've got the first 2 NFC tags, as well as the warranty for these 2 NFC cards. Now we're going to look at the wallet. It says it can hold 12, so we'll see how it goes. So this is the first card going in, as you can see. Fits in easily, pulls out quite well. So that's all 12 cards in, nice and easy. So you can see it's got the 12 cards in there, just like that. So, and it also on the back has a note slip. It's kind of handy because I do sometimes have cash on me. Holds that quite well right there. So that's pretty good design. And then what we can do is we can add the NFC tag on the front. These ones. So what this does is it means that you can store your contact information so you can easily send it and transfer it to people. Just remember that 3 of these come in this bundle, which is good. So you can add it to other things as well. It doesn't have to be just to your wallet. Stick it on, and it's just like that right there. I'm going to compare this Karben card holder to a standard wallet. And as you can see, it's pretty much half the space required to store the same amount of cards. Overall, with the NFC tags, keeping your contact information, you've got the RFID to protect your information and from other attackers, 12 slots plus a cash slip, sleek design, all black with the Karben look. Check it out at trifectatraders.com.au, so check it out.